Here's how to submit your self-critique for the Who Am I speech in Canvas. So you're going to go into our course shell in Canvas and you'll click on Assignments. Remember, all of the assignments that you turn in for Speech 1311 XP1 must be submitted online via Canvas using the assignment tools. So you'll look here in this list and it'll tell you upcoming assignments, and there's the extra credit video critique for the Who Am I speech. Click that. You'll notice it says it's due September 13th. And it has the directions in there. The directions are also in your assignment packet. You can submit your self-critique of your speech here. Watch the video of your speech and submit a critique addressing the following items. What surprised you? And there you're going to tell me everything that surprised you about the whole experience of the speech. What to work on? Tell me everything you noticed that could be improved. And what are you doing well? Use a bold heading for each section and include a full paragraph for each section. Use correct grammar, spelling, punctuation, and capitalization. And yes, of course, it must be typed because you are submitting it using the assignment tool in Canvas. This critique is worth 5 points extra credit on your speech grade. So let's pretend that I'm a student and I'm submitting my typed self-critique. Click Submit Assignment and browse, and I've already typed it and I have saved it to my desktop. So we're going to go to Desktop and Sample Typed Video Critique. There it is. Submit Assignment. And it has been submitted, and you can tell because there's a check mark there and it says submitted, and it also says resubmit assignment now, which means it has been submitted. You can also check to see if it actually submitted the thing that you wanted to submit. So let's look at that. Click on it, open, and it's loading. Loading. And yes, that is what I meant to submit. That's the format I'm looking for. That's about what it should look like. So I hope that helps show you what I am looking for the self-critique for the Who Am I speech. If you have any questions, of course, just ask.